Hello, this is Hunter Rustad, and welcome to my Week 10 WordPress tip and trick. And what I'm going to be talking about this week is multi-channel selling through WooCommerce. And what multi-channel selling is selling your product through multiple channels, like multiple marketplaces online, like whether it's your website you made, eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Walmart.com. All those places, there are different channels and different places you can sell your goods, and through some very helpful WordPress plugins, you can manage it all from your WordPress dashboard. I will say from the beginning, most of them are premium, or there's light versions, but the best features on them are premium and would be worth having. So multi-channel selling is selling your products using multiple sales channels, like I said. It will increase your revenue and help grow your business. In order to sell your products across multiple sales channels, you must sync your inventory between the channels, which can be difficult when not using these WordPress plugins. When selling products using multiple channels, you can use your WooCommerce store's central stock control website and manage and update inventory and orders through your WP dashboard, and your inventory will automatically be synced across platforms. Using a multi-channel plugin will help you quickly integrate your products with the marketplaces of your choice. Pros of multi-channel selling: increased exposure, products in more places for people to see. Retaining customers. Your customers have favorite platforms. Use them before the competition does. You are not reliant on one sales channel. Search algorithms could change, and you keep getting customers while fixing your SEO. Cons of multi-channel selling are that it's time-consuming. Uploading to different platforms takes time. Sorry, that auto-corrected. Stock management. Without a large amount of products, you could sell out or double sell products, and it's labor intensive. Packaging and shipping will ramp up as sales increase. And there's fees that belong to many of these online marketplaces. So some of the plugins that you can use are WP Lister Pro for Amazon, which is a premium product. This one is explicitly for creating product pages on Amazon from your WooCommerce dashboard. You can automatically match your WooCommerce products to Amazon products using the SKU number, or label. You can automatically sync your WooCommerce inventory on Amazon, and it gets updated when a sale is made. There's an Amazon pricing tool that will adjust the price of products across the board. Supports Amazon FBA to fulfill your Amazon and WooCommerce orders. There's a light version, so you don't have to go with the premium. There is a light version, but I remember it not being as good. And then there's another one that's almost exactly the same, except for it's for eBay. So the pros and cons for the Amazon and eBay are that there's free versions available, and the paid version is only $149 for a year's license. You can manage all your products at your WP dashboard and sync across all platforms, and it integrates with the Amazon FBA. The cons are you have to purchase the plugins, install them, and set them up separately. Amazon and eBay are the only sales channels available, and there's no analytics provided. Sellbrite is another, I don't know if I'd call it a plugin, but it's another way to multi-channel sell. You connect your WooCommerce store to an assortment of marketplaces: Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, and more. List products on multiple channels and automatically sync across them. Sellbrite bases its price for the Sellbrite service on the size of your business, so it's good for all business sizes. Pros, so it's based on sales numbers. One-click integration with multiple sales channels and extensive support provided, including one-on-one phone support. Cons, Sellbrite cannot be accessed from WP dashboards. You have to log in with a Sellbrite account. The starter plan only connects 2 sales channels, which sync every 60 minutes, and does not include many features, including integration with Walmart and phone support. Another service is Veeko, Veeko. It handles Amazon and eBay platforms as well. There's a lot of features integral to large e-commerce sites. You can easily push products to Amazon and eBay with a couple clicks. Inventory is automatically synced across platforms when data is changed, and integrates with the world's largest shipping couriers. I would say this one is good if you're already established and if you're doing a lot of business, but probably not great for people just starting off. And all of the information for this tip and trick came from this link down here, wphero.io/blog/WooCommerce-multi-channel-selling. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your time.